exclusive input on Pakistan-Afghan-Taliban talks. Now we are learning that during the truce talks, Ibrahim Kalin, the director of National Intelligence Organization of Turkey, was also present at Pakistan-Afghanistan negotiations at Doha. Remember, days after deadly clashes, Afghanistan and Pakistan agreed to an immediate ceasefire during a round of negotiations mediated by Qatar and Turkey in Doha. So this is CNN News 18's exclusive that Turkey's intel chief was also present. Akanksha Swarup is joining us on this story. Akanksha, tell us about the importance of Turkey's intelligence chief's presence in that peace talks between Afghanistan and Pakistan.
Right. A very good afternoon to you, Arun, and to all our viewers. And these are inputs shared by Securities Editor Mr. Manoj Gupta. And as you rightly highlighted, Ibrahim Kalin is the Director of National Intelligence Organization of Turkey. He is the man in those images that we are showing on our screens, is in a blue suit, as you can, a suited person in a blue shirt. And the importance over here of Turkey's intelligence officer being present over there is clearly an indication the role that Turkey has been playing in mediating this ceasefire, and on the global stage also, whether it is Qatar or say Turkey, they believe that it is ideologically all Arab nations should be together, and so that is the message that has also been sent out by Qatar and by Turkey, that these Arab neighbors should not be fighting at the moment. But most importantly, Afghanistan, as we all know, has been on a sticky wicket. They lack the aerial defense to defend themselves, especially when it comes to the kind of aerial bombardment that has been taking place on their soil at the hands of Pakistan. Turkey, remember, has been a key strategic ally to Pakistan. We've seen the kind of strategic defense cooperation and intel sharing also that happens between Pakistan and Turkey. We've already witnessed it when India was, in fact, during Operation Sindoor. We've already learned of this axis of resistance between Turkey, Pakistan, at the behest of China also. In fact, Turkey has also been supplying drones to Pakistan. So it is very much not just ideologically aligned with Pakistan, it is also strategically and in terms of defense cooperation militarily very closely tied to Pakistan. So it's only understandable that their intelligence head of, that the intelligence head of Turkey.
That's right. And the friendship of Iran and Pakistan is renowned to everybody. That's what we saw during the Operation Sindoor. Meanwhile, thank you so much, Akanksha, for putting this story into perspective with this.